Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How is everyone doing? Thanks for joining us again another video. Let me show you how to make a very high fiber hot dog sausage. Yes guys, remember the last time I make homemade coconut oil at home. I told you guys that the chaff, I'm going to use it. Yes, this is the recipe where I use the coconut chaff. As you can see, I have my all-purpose flour in my bone. So I'm just adding the chaff, the coconut chaff, bit by bit. Okay, just the way you see me doing until I'm done with all the coconut chaff. I'm going to add everything bit by bit until we are done. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload, you will be getting a notification. Thank you all so much to all our returning subscribers. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you all so much. God bless you. So, we are still on the process of mixing the chaff and the flour very, very well. Okay, guys, just the way you see me doing. So at this point is I added salt. Okay, I added also um baking powder as well. Okay, I added cinnamon powder. This is sugar. I added sugar, 2 spoons of sugar, because we don't need too much sugar, just 2 spoons. Then I'm going to give that a mix. So the next one will be our butter. The butter is not much. Okay, guys. So I'm going to give that a very good mix before we'll add the next ingredient, which is egg. So 2 medium size of egg. Okay, so I'll go ahead and continue to mix. Just continue mixing. This is not like, so I'm adding water bit by bit. I'm not going to add the water once, bit by bit. Okay, just the way you see me doing. So at this point, I think the water was enough. At this point, the water was enough. So I transfer it to the surface. Then to make sure I mix everything very, very well. So the dough was set aside. So this was the process when we have to prepare our fill in: sweet pepper, banana pepper, onions. Okay, then we are going to add our hot dog. We are going to give that a very rough blend. Okay, guys, like so. We don't want it to be very smooth. Okay, so this is just exactly how I wanted it to be. So I'm going to transfer it to a plate. put that in plate. Added salt and a season powder. Then this is our homemade spices. After that, we have to give it a very good mix. So this is time to roll our sausage. You see the way I'm just doing it, just like so. Then we are going to roll it. Yes, the way you see me doing. So I'm just trying to be careful because it was very, very flat, and it was also soft as well. So I rub in some egg so that the edges can seal up properly. Next thing, I'm just going to cut the sizes that I want, as you see me doing. So this was at the end. I've done slicing it, rolling up as sausages. I'm just rubbing in some egg, and this was the step where I said, okay, let me do some kind of chin chin out of it as well. So I was just slicing it out the sizes that I want. Okay, guys. So this one was form of chin chin, and it also came out very, very great, yummy. It was really, really nice. Very, very nice. So just frying it, you know, it was very yummy. I almost finished eating everything even before I finished frying it. I almost ate up everything. Guys, this was very great recipe. Really, really great. Please let me know where you are watching from so that I will send you some hug in our next video. Thanks for always joining us. Please leave your comment. Share this video. At this point, it was ready. You see, it was ready. It was really, really yummy. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Bye.